Hi, I'm Daniela. I'm an award-winning wig professional. Today I'm going to be showing you a solution in the event that you have friction frizz and tangles, which is very common in a longer look. We're going to be using just a wide tooth comb, a few clips, and I'm going to be using Revive Liquid Enhancement by René. So to get started, I'm going to section the hair, which is very important because this makes this much easier for you to control the hair. We're going to start at the bottom. We're going to take a large section and then we're going to subsection a little bit of the Revive Liquid Enhancement. We're going to be working on the ends and we're going to be staying about 6 inches away from the hair. I like to just work the product in. Start from the bottom up. Please don't ever hold your style out here and do this. This will cause damage to your style. And I like to hold the hair just to control. It's working my way up. This will take a little bit of time to do your whole style. As you can see, just using a little bit of the Revive Liquid Enhancement, we've managed to take out all the tangles here. You could always go back in with the same product and a little bit of holding spray to redefine your curl. I've taken down another section and you can see the difference here. You want to show your pieces love because it's very important to take really good care of your wigs, and it is very important to use products for synthetic hair. Once I do the entire look, depending on your liking, I usually go back in and do just a little bit more Revive to add a little bit more texture and shine. Always remember how important it is to be using products for synthetic hair. It does help increase the lifespan of your wig. And always remember, if you have a tangle that it's really knotted, make sure that you're holding the section of hair. When you do have friction, frizz, and tangles, don't feel like there's not a solution for it, because there is. Just take a little bit more product. And I always like to finish off with my fingers, but as you can see, this is given a whole nice new look. Kind of restored the shape and curl pattern that it had from the beginning. There you go. For your closest retailer, make sure you go to reneaparis.com, find the locator, and this will help you determine which is the closest retailer to your location. Make sure you subscribe on YouTube, follow us on Instagram, and make sure you hit that notification button. See you soon!